Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence is transforming our workplaces? In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, AI emerges as a game-changer, reshaping our professional interactions and processes in ways we could hardly imagine a few decades ago. From streamlining workflows to enhancing decision-making, AI is revolutionizing the workplace, making it more efficient and dynamic. It's turning routine and mundane tasks into automated processes, freeing up valuable time for employees to focus on strategic and creative aspects of their work. Moreover, AI is empowering decision-makers with unprecedented insights, analyzing vast datasets to provide valuable information that supports strategic decisions. And let's not forget, in the realm of human resources and employee engagement, AI is facilitating a shift towards more personalized experiences, tailoring onboarding processes and career development based on individual preferences, strengths, and learning styles. So let's delve deeper into how AI is revolutionizing different aspects of the workplace. Consider the role of AI in automation and efficiency in the workplace. AI-driven automation is becoming the new norm in many industries, transforming the way businesses operate. Take, for instance, the banking sector. Automated teller machines, or ATMs powered by AI, have taken over a significant portion of routine banking transactions. This allows bank employees to focus on more complex customer service issues, strategic planning, and innovative product development. Similarly, in the manufacturing industry, AI-powered robots are handling repetitive assembly line tasks with precision and speed. This frees up human workers to engage in higher-order tasks such as quality control, strategic planning, and innovation. Even in the creative realm, AI is making waves. Automated content creation tools are churning out routine content, while writers and designers focus on crafting more complex creative narratives and designs. AI-driven automation is thus a powerful tool, freeing employees from mundane tasks and boosting productivity. Let's explore how AI is enhancing decision-making in the professional realm. You see, the power of artificial intelligence lies in its ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data at lightning speed. Machine learning algorithms, a key component of AI, are particularly adept at this. They sift through complex datasets, identify patterns and trends, and generate insights that would be nearly impossible for humans to discern manually. Take the case of a global logistics company, for instance. By deploying AI, they can predict market trends, optimize supply chains, and identify potential risks. This information is invaluable for strategic decision-making. Or consider a financial institution using AI to analyze market data and customer behavior, enabling them to develop more effective investment strategies and risk management policies. AI is thus a valuable ally, aiding in informed and strategic decision-making. It's like having a superpowered assistant that can crunch numbers, spot trends, and provide insights, all in a fraction of the time it would take a human. AI is not just about automation and decision-making, it's also about personalization. In the realm of human resources and employee engagement, AI is making a significant impact by facilitating a shift towards more personalized experiences. Consider the onboarding process, for instance. Instead of a one-size-fits-all approach, AI algorithms can tailor the process based on an individual's preferences, strengths, and learning styles. The same principle applies to career development. AI can analyze an individual's performance, identify their areas of strength and the skills they need to improve, and then suggest personalized training programs. It's akin to having a personal career coach, guiding you towards your professional aspirations. This level of personalization is not just about ticking boxes, it's about understanding and catering to the unique needs of each employee. By creating more personalized experiences, AI is fostering employee satisfaction and contributing to talent retention. How is AI transforming collaboration and communication within teams? Let's delve into that. Artificial intelligence is playing an increasingly pivotal role in enhancing team interactions. Imagine intelligent chatbots and virtual assistants at your service, facilitating seamless communication and assisting with daily tasks. Picture a scenario where you're working on a project, and instead of sifting through a pile of emails for information, your AI assistant retrieves it in seconds. These AI-powered tools are not just improving internal processes, they're also ensuring that information flows more efficiently across the organization. Consider the case of global teams spread across different time zones. Intelligent chatbots can bridge this gap, providing real-time responses to queries and keeping everyone on the same page regardless of their location. And it's not just about communication. Collaboration too is being revolutionized. Teams can now work together on complex projects, with AI systems managing task allocation, tracking progress, and even predicting potential roadblocks. AI is thus streamlining communication and collaboration, ensuring efficient information flow across organizations. As we've seen, AI is not just a technological advancement, it's a fundamental shift in how we approach work. It's the silent revolution that's redefining the boundaries of our professional lives, reimagining how we interact with our tasks, our colleagues, and our environment. Let's take a moment to retrace our steps. We've explored how AI-driven automation is reshaping the workplace, turning the mundane into the manageable. It's eliminating the drudgery of routine and repetitive tasks, allowing us to channel our energies into strategic and creative pursuits. This, in turn, is boosting productivity and creating a more fulfilling work experience. We've also seen how AI is empowering decision-makers with unprecedented insights. Through the robust analysis of vast datasets, AI is providing valuable information and predictive capabilities. It's guiding us through the labyrinth of strategic decision-making, helping us to anticipate market trends, optimize supply chains, and identify potential risks. In the realm of employee engagement, AI is the architect of personalized experiences. It tailors onboarding processes and career development paths to individual preferences, strengths, and learning styles. This focus on personalization is fostering employee satisfaction and contributing to talent retention. AI is also the catalyst for improved communication and collaboration within teams. Intelligent chatbots and virtual assistants are facilitating seamless interaction, ensuring that information flows more efficiently across the organization. They're the invisible hands guiding us through our daily tasks and queries. And let's not forget the role AI plays in skill development and learning. With the rise of AI, there's an increased demand for employees to acquire new skills. AI-driven learning platforms are helping to bridge this gap, recommending relevant courses and providing personalized learning pathways. As we navigate this era of AI transformation, it's clear that embracing these changes is crucial. It's about evolving with the times, about staying ahead in an increasingly competitive and digitally driven world. But at the heart of it all, it's about people. It's about creating a work environment that is not just efficient, but also human-centric. Leveraging AI responsibly is key to creating a workplace that is not just efficient, but also human-centric in an increasingly competitive and digitally driven world.